Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned money wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, featuring the Canon EOS R10 on the left and the Canon EOS R100 on the right. Let's kick things off with the price. The Canon EOS R10 is priced at $1,099, which some reviewers highlight as a significant investment for serious photographers. On the other hand, the R100 is more budget-friendly at $829 and is often praised for its affordability and value for beginners. Many users suggest that if you're just starting out, the R100 is a great entry point without breaking the bank. Next up is image quality. The R10 features a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor with a DIGIC-X processor, which has received rave reviews for its excellent photo quality, making it a favorite among automotive and wildlife photographers. Meanwhile, the R100 has a slightly lower 24.1 megapixel sensor with a DIGIC-8 processor. Users appreciate the R100's clear image quality, especially for family photos, but many agree that the R10 takes the edge for professional-grade shots. Moving on to autofocus. The R10 boasts smart autofocus with subject detection, which reviewers say makes it ideal for fast-moving subjects, while the R100, with its 143 autofocus zones, is still effective but may struggle in some situations. Some users have reported issues with autofocus in the R100, suggesting that the R10 is a better choice for those needing reliable tracking. Now, let's discuss continuous shooting. The R10 can shoot up to 15 frames per second, making it a great option for capturing action shots, like pets or sports. Reviewers highlight this feature as a significant advantage for dynamic photography. In contrast, the R100's 6.5 frames per second is sufficient for casual use, but might not satisfy those looking to capture fleeting moments effectively. Finally, battery life. The R10 features a rechargeable LPE17 battery and can charge while in use, which is a huge plus for long shooting days according to several reviews. In comparison, the R100 lacks this feature, making it less convenient for extended sessions. Reviewers have noted that the R100 has good battery life, but the R10's charging capability gives it a notable edge. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 is highly praised for its performance and image quality, making it suitable for both enthusiasts and professionals. The R100, while not as feature-rich, is celebrated for its affordability and ease of use, especially for beginners. So, there you have it. The Canon EOS R10 stands out as the overachiever, while the R100 is your reliable, budget-friendly companion. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to both products. Happy shooting!